let's see how to add and edit your email signature in Outlook. First, let's take a look at the web version of Outlook. Go to Settings on the top right of the screen. Select View All Outlook Settings. Under Mail Settings, select Compose and Reply. In the Email Signature section, select New Signature and use the available formatting options. Give your new email signature a name and click Save. If you want your signature to appear automatically on new emails, select the signature from the drop-down menu. You can also select the signature to appear on replies and forwards. If you've created a signature but didn't apply it automatically, you can always add it later. In your web mailbox, choose New Message. After typing your message, select the ellipsis icon. Click Insert Signature. Now, let's take a look at the Outlook app. Create a new email. Select Signature in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu, select Signatures. Click on the New button to add a new signature and give your signature a name. Add your signature in the Edit Signature text area. If you want to automatically apply the signature to new emails, select the email account you wish to use and select the signature. You can set different signatures for new messages and for replies and forwards. When you finish editing your new signature, click OK. If you didn't set a signature to apply by default, open a new email and click Signature in the toolbar. Your signatures will appear in the drop-down menu. In case you want to change the email signature in the Outlook app, there are two options. Right-click on the new signature in the email body and select another signature. Or you can click Signature in the toolbar and choose another signature from the drop-down menu. If you want to change information in your signature, you can edit it by right-clicking on your current signature, select Signatures. Now you can make the changes to your signature in the pop-up window. For more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and check out our Syskit blog.